In this video, I will be solving the make 2 problem of the array 1 section. Here comes the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Right. Let's read the problem statement. Given two int arrays A and B, return a new array length 2 containing as much as will fit the elements from A followed by the elements from B. The arrays may be of any length, including 0, but there will be 2 or more elements available between the two arrays. So in the make 2 method, we will be given two integer arrays A and B. Both of the arrays could be of any length, potentially 0 as well, meaning an empty array. But it has been mentioned that the at least length, the sum of both of the lengths would be at least 2. Then only we will be able to fetch out the two elements from that array. So this portion is very much dependent upon the lengths of both of the arrays. Let's use the examples to discuss the cases. In first example, the array A is having length 2. Hence, we can fetch the two elements from the array A itself and don't use the B. Hence, only 4 and 5 are being used and returned as the result. In second example, array A is having length 1. So we will fetch the first element from array A and then fetch the first element from array B to create an array of length 2. Hence 4 1 is being returned as result. In example 3, the first array is having length of 0 or is an empty array. Hence our only option is to fetch two elements from the array B, and that's what we are returning as the result. So if we observe here carefully, what are the points that we observe? First one is A dot len plus B dot len would always be greater than equal to 2. Then only we will be able to create an array of having length 2. And second one will be, first we try to fetch the lengths from the array 1 or array A. In case we do not find the enough elements, then only we move towards the array B. So how can we first fetch the enough elements from array A? In case the length of array A is greater than or equal to 2, so we can fetch all the elements from A only and do not use B. If this is not the case, then A length can be equal to 1 element. In such a case, we fetch 1 from A, 1 element from A, and rest 1 from B. And here we are guaranteed that B length would be at least 1 to be able to meet this condition. And last condition is if A is an empty array. In such case, we will be able to, or we will be required to fetch both of the elements 2 from B only, and in this case we are sure that B length will be at least 2. So this is how we can break this question into 3 situations. Now let's code according to these. Let me copy it for our reference here, then we'll remove it. First of all, we can check or create two length variables. A len is equal to A dot length, or we can only do it with A len only, since the problem is dependent upon the first array's length. In case A len is greater than or equal to 2. So in this case, we can fetch all the elements from A. So we can return an anonymous integer array and fill it with the first two elements from the array A. So it doesn't matter if A is, in this case, if A is something like 1 2, or even if it contains more elements, the main thing is we were able to fetch the first two elements, and that was what required. Else if a length, just a moment, yes, a length is exactly 1. So if we are having something like this, so of course for this we will be required to have B array something like this, which can have more elements. So here we can filling the first element from the array A and filling the second element from array B. Now we are left with last condition. We can write else if also, else if a len equal to 0, or we can simply use else. Both will work. Let's use else. So this would mean that A is an empty array, hence we will be required to fetch both of the elements from B only. So we will be writing here B dot 0 or B of 0 and B of 1. Yes. Now let's, first of all, let me remove this. Yes. Now let's run the test cases and verify. Yes, all of them are passing. Now let me submit this code on the platform and then push it on GitHub. Yes, working fine. Make two. Okay. G push and verify the code has been added. Done.